नमस्ते है दोस्तों, मेरा चैनल में गोल्डन टाइगर एंड फैक्ट किंग। सो गाइस, अर्लियर मेरा चैनल का नाम था गोल्डन टाइगर गेमिंग, उसको मैं चेंज किया हूँ। सो गाइस, आज मैं डिस्कस करूँगा ब्लैक होल लेकर, ब्लैक होल की फैक्ट लेकर। सो द ब्लैक होल, you know Stephen Hawking, the scientist, Albert Einstein, who was quite mad like man, but he was too genius. He was too genius. So guys, at first you know that what is Andromeda galaxy. You can search it from Google also if it is quite difficult to understand. So the Andromeda galaxy is the Messier 31 M31, which is also called, and originally the Andromeda Nebula. It is very spiral galaxy approximately 2.5 million light years from the Earth. So its distance from the Earth is 2.5 million light years, and the nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way. So guys, some YouTubers also make a video. I saw it earlier also. Many YouTubers told that the Andromeda galaxy and Milky Way galaxy will crash within 1 year or 2 years. So guys, don't depend on them. So guys, they are a liar. So the distance between the Andromeda galaxy is quite 2.5 million light years from the Earth. But it is true that it will get attacked together after 6 to 8 millions years after. So not within 1 or 2 year. Those who will give in the YouTube or in the Google that this will crash between 1 or 2 years, so do not um, uh, give them what I tell. Do not give them extraordinary or they are self-dependent. So the distance, you should know always that the distance between the Andromeda and the Milky Way galaxy is 2.5 million light years. So guys, and Andromeda galaxy is also nearest to this Milky Way. So the Earth is present within this Milky Way galaxy, not in the Andromeda galaxy. There are many galaxies. So now I will go back to my topic, that what is black hole. The NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, what it tell, that how is NASA studying the black holes. This NASA is using the satellites and telescope. The telescope will not be the small range, that will be in the large lens telescope. The telescope will be also very costly. You can imagine that what will be the cost of the telescope from where they see this large black holes of the galaxies. They are traveling in the space to learn more about the black holes. There's the spacecraft. There are many spacecrafts which they have sent earlier also, and they are also sending at present also, and the scientists answer questions about the universe. So many of the reporters and the media's people ask the questions, they also give the correct answer about that. So the next question is that could a black hole destroy the Earth? So I will also give the answer of this question also. The black holes do not go around in space eating stars, moons and planets. Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for Earth to do that. So guys, you can understand that no black hole is quite near to the solar system. Even if a black hole the same mass of the sun were to take the place of the sun, still would not fall in. If it takes the same structure of the sun, then also it will not fall. The black hole would have the same gravity as the sun. It has the same gravity as compared to the sun. As you can understand by the statement, Earth and the other planets would orbit the black hole as they orbit the sun also. Other planets, if it takes the place to the black hole also, it will not get fall because it is the same range and radius, we can also tell, of the sun. That also is the same gravity. The Earth's planets also get revolved around the sun, and earlier also they will now revolve around the sun, and also even around the black hole. So one thing also I tell, that Andromeda galaxy that I was explaining earlier at the first sequence of my video, that Andromeda galaxy, it is the galaxy that is the Messier 31. It is also a black hole like structure. Not, you can say that it's a black hole, but it's a quite like a black hole structure. It is present in the inner of the black hole the Milky Way. So Milky Way is also the Milky Way. What is in the Milky Way? Milky Way has the stars, planets, and many rocks. Others they are also revolving around something, that they are revolving around the Andromeda, which is a galaxy can also to or the black hole. So if a black holes are black, how do scientists know they are there? Then if the structure is the black, then how can they study? A black hole cannot be seen because strong gravity pulls all of the life into the middle of the black hole. Because it is a large amount of gravity. The black hole has a large amount of gravity which executes to pull all the light in the solar system towards it. That's why scientists, you can also search the pictures of the black hole. You can see that there is a large amount of vacuum light in the inner side of the black hole. By there you can understand most. But scientists can see how the strong gravity affects the stars and gas around the black hole. Scientists can study stars to find out if they are flying around or orbiting a black hole. So a black hole is also orbiting around the black hole, and that black hole also orbiting around the another black hole. So there are many black hole in the one big black hole. Could a black hole destroy the earth? This I also answered earlier also. So the most important question that according to NASA what told the black holes how they formed. Scientists think the smallest black holes formed when the universe began. When the universe had began, you I think know you when the century is to 6-7 billion years ago. Scientists think the smallest black holes, small black holes type structure radius, form when the universe began. Stellar black holes are made when the center of a very big star falls in upon itself or collapses. When this happens, it causes a supernova. When large parts of big stars, there is a range of the stars and planets. All the stars and planets doesn't remain for millions of ago. It is also you can see in the Google or in the social media that some news are coming about that the sun will destroy. The sun will destroy because the energy of the sun is lacking, decreasing. The energy, that is the energy of the sun, you know the which gases are present in the sun, so these energies are getting lost. So they are getting lost, and therefore the sun will also get demands or gets dense like structure like a black color, nearly about 1 million years. So the energy of the sun will not remain for a years and years ago. So guys, you can understand that no stars or planets have a long period of time for its living. So the earth, you know that the dinosaurs had come in our earth, they also get destroyed because the earth also continuing their energy forms, the revolutions, the waters and the lands, and then again situation come that whole the earth was destroyed and again was formed. That's why the earth which is present now, it will also get destroyed and will form renew again. So guys, no people in this earth will be live in this earth. They will also get destroyed and new earth will also get again formed. So stellar black holes are made with the center of a big star falls in upon itself or collapses. When this happens, it's caused a supernova. When this all gets collected, all the stars is known as supernova. A supernova is an exploding star that blasts part of the star into the space. So it will get blast into the space. Scientists think supermassive black holes were made at the same time as the galaxy they are in. So I will also show you some of the pictures about the black holes. Like Sagittarius A is a black hole at the center of the Milky Way. So there are many black holes at the center of the black hole in the Milky Way. The Milky Way has large number of black holes. Like in the center there is Sagittarius A. You know the name Sagittarius A. So the article is a part of NASA knows. Also gets the image of the center Chandra X-ray Observatory. That also gets credits NASA. Milky Way is a super massive black hole. So an artist drawing black hole named the a fact is there, a story is there. An artist was drawing a black hole named the Cygnus X-1. It is forms on a large star caved in. This black hole pulls matter from blue star inside it. So there is also another explanation that belongs to me. A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles or even electromagnetic radiation such as light can escape from it. That is Bengali in term that no one can survive if they come in the close contact with the black hole. That's it. It's a large electromagnetic wave. Gravity, that is, you can tell. The theory of general relativity predicts that sufficiently compact mass can deform space to form the black hole. So the Stephen Hawking, Candy Bowman, so there are many scientists who had discovered this. Stephen Hawking, according to me, is the most deteriorated, the most special person who had come ever to our earth to tell the explanation about the black hole. His Hawking, CA, CBE, FRS, FRCA was an English theoretical physicist. He was a physicist also, cosmologist also, and the author who was director of the research of Center of Theoretical Cosmology of the Universal in Cambridge at the time of his death. When he was dead, he explains the theoretical cosmology of the universe. So he was born at 8 January 1942, Oxford, United Kingdom, and he was died in 14th March 2018 at Cambridge, United Kingdom. So guys, many people get upset when he was dead in 14 March 2018. Many have set their lives also due to him. He was very special person in our earth who had come to told the every explanations about the some of the told that when Stephen Hawking look at upper to the sky he can watch everything. That can be possible if one person is extraordinary. They can also have some extra power, that you can tell. So if you also search in Google also, it is not possible for me to told as many as names of the black holes. There are many black holes. I am telling you 10 black holes names and their area radius. NGC 3783 2.98 plus 0.54 into 10 to the power 7. Mercurian 110 2.51 plus 0.61 into 10 to the power 7. Mercurian 335 1.42 plus 0.37 and 2 10 to the power 7. Messier 108 2.4 into 10 to the power 7. M60 UCD 1 2 into 10 to the power 7. Mercurian 1110 2.51 plus 0.61. So guys, I will not make this video too long, so it will be get bored by you people. So guys, अगर तुम लोगों को कोई फैक्ट लेकर जानना चाहते हो तो भाई मेरे को बोल सकते हो. सो और एक चीज़ जाने के पहले बता दूँ कि दिस इज द ऑर्डर लिस्ट ऑफ द मोस्ट मैसिव ब्लैक होल सो फॉर डिस्कवर एंड प्रोबेबली कैंडिडेट्स. Supermassive black hole discovery matter from an accretion disk measured in units of solar masses approximately 2 into 10 to the power 30 kilograms. So guys, you can imagine it. There also the most earlier black hole I can remember. Wait guys, I remembered M87 was the most earlier black hole which was get discovered. So guys, bye bye. I will not make this video too long. So guys, I will come with my next video. You can guys also tell me in the comment that what I will come with which video. So guys, bye bye.